In this video, I'm going to give you the top 4 bar inventory apps and software so you can stop counting your inventory on an Excel spreadsheet like an old person who still uses an ATM or dial-up internet. Okay, keep in mind that each of these inventory systems has a lot of features, but the 2 most important factors when it comes to counting your inventory are speed and accuracy. Okay, nobody wants to spend hours counting their inventory, but when you do count, you want the numbers deadly accurate or it's a big waste of time. Okay, I'm gonna have all 4 links to the systems I talk about in this video in the description, so you can go check them out more if you wish. Okay, here we go. Starting with number 1, we have Bar Patrol Inventory App, created by yours truly. Okay, yes, I'm a bit biased here, but in my humble opinion, Bar Patrol is the best bang for your buck and the best inventory app for independent bars and restaurants because of all the value you get. Okay, simply put, we are an independent business helping other independent bars and restaurants succeed. Okay, and if you don't know me, first off, shame on you. Okay, I'm Dave Allred, the real barman from barpatrol.net. But second, I've spent more than 3 decades in the bar and restaurant industry, and when I started Bar Patrol back in 2011, I spent time in the trenches counting thousands of inventories for dozens of bars around the San Francisco Bay Area as a bar auditor. So I knew exactly what I wanted to include in an inventory app when I was building it back in 2015. And in the 11 years since we had it built, we have never once raised our prices, which cannot be said for the other systems on this list. And I will tell you all about the pricing in just a second, but first, here's what you get and the main advantages of using Bar Patrol. Okay, we talked about speed and accuracy. At Bar Patrol, we use our super sleek and sexy Bluetooth scale, which has a narrow 2% margin of error, compared to 6 to 8% margin of error using the little slider you may have seen with some systems, and 10 to 12% margin of error when point counting. There is simply nothing more accurate. Okay, for speed, we use a mapping blueprint system, which means Bar Patrol maps everything on your shelves in the exact order that they're organized so that they pop up in order while counting, and all you have to do is hit a number and hit enter. Okay, people ask if we have a scanner. No, we do not. I do not like scanners. Okay, they're not awful or anything, but they actually take longer because it's often difficult to get the little infrared light to line up with the barcode, and you have to move it around until it finally registers. Okay, our mapping system is actually much faster. In addition, okay, you can count on multiple devices. Data is synced directly to the online dashboard from the app. We have automatic ordering and invoicing, a recipe builder, menu item costing, multiple reports, including the variance report, which is going to tell you down to the 1/100th of an ounce how accurately your bartenders are pouring for each and every brand you carry. All right, now comes the good part, pricing. Like I said, we have never upped our pricing since we started. Okay, Bar Patrol app is only $69 per month or $49 per month if you pay up front for the entire year, which is $588 per year. Okay, we have no pricing tiers, which means you get everything for one price. Okay, unlike other systems that make you pay more to get everything. Okay, the Bluetooth scale, that's a one-time cost of $129 and you own it. It's free shipping inside the US, and that's Bar Patrol app in a nutshell. Okay, the best bang for your buck in the industry and the fastest, most accurate system on the market. Okay, check us out at barpatrol.net to learn more. Next up at number 2, we have BevSpot. This is a company I really like, okay, if truth must be told. And yes, they're a competitor of mine, but I really like what they're doing because like us, it's very important to them that they actually help bar and restaurant owners succeed instead of just selling a piece of technology. Okay, they have lots of resources on their site, and I've actually had conversations with their founder of BevSpot, which is Roy Crawford, and I really like him as a person. So company character is important to me, and BevSpot has it. Okay, with BevSpot, you're gonna get a very sophisticated system that has great reporting. It also has ordering, recipe management, multi-location and transfer tools. They also integrate directly with mini POS systems, and they have great accounting integrations. All right, with that said, the one thing I will say about BevSpot is that the accuracy factor is where they fall short. They use the little slider, which is not nearly as accurate as the Bluetooth scale. It's simply a fact. Okay. In addition, where you will also see them falter when researching all these other systems is that the pricing is very high. Okay, we're talking $150 to $300 per month range for BevSpot. And like I said, you will need to pay the entire $300 per month to get all the features, or you're going to be limited. All right, number 3 on the list is Whisk. Now, Whisk has become one of the most sophisticated and capable inventory systems on the market. Okay, they really are best for corporate chains and restaurant groups. They have everything that Bar Patrol and BevSpot has, plus stock alerts, automatic, automated invoice processing, lots of integrations, including POS and vendor and accounting software. Okay, they even have the Bluetooth scale for accuracy. So when it comes to an inventory system, they are the top of the line. All right, so you should totally go with them as long as you don't mind spending $250 to $800 per month, depending on the tier. Okay, yep, the pricing is out of this world outrageous. It's gonna cost you $400 per month just to get to the tier that integrates with your POS system. Okay, that is 8 times more expensive than Bar Patrol, and the number of features they have that Bar Patrol does not is a small handful. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, you get to choose what's best for your bar and restaurant. Like I said, if you're a restaurant group or multi-location owner, then you can probably afford it. Okay, if you're an independent bar, it's simply not worth it. All right, and finally, number 4 on the list, which, to be honest, I don't actually think that they're the 4th best inventory system on the market, but they are one of the most popular since they came out. So I wanted to include them in this video because I think a lot of people want to know about them, and that is Partender. Okay, the good parts of Partender: it is a sleek looking, easy to use app. You can count very quickly. It has basic reporting. You can count on multiple devices, and it has item costing. Okay, now for the other side of things, my beef with Partender has always been its exaggerated claims. Okay, bar inventory in 15 minutes. This is nothing short of a flat out lie. Okay, believe me, like I said, I've taken thousands of inventories and never came close to counting any of them in 15 minutes. There probably isn't a bar on the planet that can be counted by one person in 15 minutes unless it's your home bar. Okay, if you're counting with multiple devices, then yes, but every inventory app on this list can do that. Okay, I even challenged the people at Partender. I told them at one point I would pay them $50,000 if they could count an inventory at a medium-sized bar of my choosing in 15 minutes. Okay, it's not gonna happen. This is like promising that the shake weight is going to help you lose 50 pounds in a week. Okay, it's flat out hyperbole. All right, second, Partender claims 99.2% accuracy, another fabrication. Partender uses the little inventory slider, which is a little bit better than the one they use at BevSpot. But when you're talking about using the line slider to mark bottles that are misshapen or they're not transparent, okay, like Bailey's or Clase Azul or Kahlua, it is impossible to get an accurate reading. Thus, I like Partender, okay, as an inventory app, but I do not like the false marketing, which causes me to question the company's ethics. Okay, it just sort of rubs you the wrong way. Okay, when it comes to pricing, the bad news keeps coming. For this system, which is already not super accurate, and it does not integrate with any POS or other software, the cost is $199 to $299 per month. In my humble opinion, you should not pay this much for an inventory system that offers so little. Okay, if you're gonna pay $300 per month for an inventory system, I'd rather go with BevSpot. Okay, but if you want a top of the line inventory system for independent bars and restaurants for only $49 per month, then Bar Patrol is gonna be the winner. Again, I'm biased, but if I don't love my own system and I don't brag on it and I'm not passionate about it, then why would you trust that it's gonna do the job for you, right? Okay, but that's how much confidence I have in our system. Okay, on your side, do your own research to determine what system is best for you and your business. That's what's most important. Do what's best for you. Okay, I hope this helps guide you in the right direction. Again, all the links are in the description, including barpatrol.net. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. I'm going to see you next time. I'm out.